Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. SLOs of this lesson are use few indefinite pronouns. In this lesson, we will learn about indefinite pronouns, what they are. Look at the page number 35 here of your textbook. Indefinite pronouns. We have discussed about the pronouns, the reflexive pronoun, the possessive pronouns, and the personal pronoun in our previous lessons. Pronouns which replaces the noun. Now look at here, we use indefinite pronouns to refer to people or things without saying exactly who or what they are. We use pronouns ending in body or one or people, and pronouns ending in thing or for things. For people, we use words which ends with body, one, or for people. And for thing, we use things or things. Like how? Look at this here. Somebody, someone, something. This is for things only, which refers to the things. And these two columns here refers to people here. Without saying exactly who or what they are. We don't have specific names or groups here. We have just people and things here. And we just refer by using these indefinite pronouns. Somebody, someone, anybody, anyone, nobody, no one, everybody, everyone. And for things, something, anything, nothing, everything. Look at the examples here in sentences. Somebody ate my sandwich. This person don't know who ate his sandwich. He's referring to because he don't know the specific name. He just have a guess that somebody might ate his sandwich here. So here he is referring to the people without saying exactly who they are. Look at the second one. Everyone says that she is beautiful inside and out. Now this person don't know about who says, but she heard that everyone says that she is beautiful inside. Here it is referring to the group of people here. Now look at the third one. No one wants to hear about health problems. Here the no one is also referring to the group of people wants to hear about my health problem. The names are not specific here. The people she or he doesn't know, and she's only referring that no one wants to hear about my health problems. Here let's take the example of this, something. I need to do something to complete my work. Here this person don't know what to do to complete his work, but he is referring to something that I need to do something to complete it. He don't have any specific name for it or any specific thing, so he's just referring to something that he need to do something to complete his work. Look at the second example from this. Everything is all right. Now in this sentence, it refers to all the things. It's not include any specific thing here. It's including all the things. Right, all right, everything is all right. He's referring that all right, everything is all right here. He doesn't or she doesn't mention here any specific thing is right. He's referring to all the things. Everything is all right here. Look at the exercise of it. Choose the correct indefinite pronouns to complete each sentence. For each sentence, we have 4 options here. You have to choose the right one to complete the sentence. Can play the game as long as they follow the rules. Here, it's about playing the game as long as they follow the rule. Referring to the group of people here, not a thing. Because here the people can play the game here. So, here everybody can play the game as long as they follow the rules. यहाँ पे हमने everybody क्यों choose किया है? क्योंकि सेंटेंस का मतलब यही बन रहा है कि हर कोई जो है गेम खेल सकता है जब तक कि वो रूल फॉलो ना कर ले. नाउ लुक एट द सेकंड वन हियर. वन came forward to admit the crime, so the whole class was punished. Yes, it's again referring to the people here. Came forward to admit the crime. किसी ने भी क्राइम जो है कोई गलती की थी उसको एडमिट नहीं किया तो पूरी क्लास को सजा मिली. The nothing option is not correct because it is referring to the thing here. Anything is not. One came. If somebody came, the whole class should not be punished. Then it will be no one. Yes, no one came forward to admit the crime. Look at the third one here. Although it could have happened to, it happened to me. अगरचा ये मेरे साथ हुआ, ये किसी के साथ भी हो सकता था. It could have happened to. अब यहां पर देखना है कि हमने कौन सा indefinite pronoun इधर चूज करना. Also it could happen to. It again referring to the group of people here. लेकिन क्या ये मेरे साथ हुआ, किसी के साथ भी हो सकता था. तो हम यहां पर चूज करेंगे anyone. It could happen to anyone. It happened to me here. Now look at the fourth one. Walked past the window and shouted. It's again referring to the people here. Here, walks past the window and shouted. Doesn't know the specific name. Anything is not, everything is not. No one is leading to the negative sentence. So it will be yes, someone. Someone walked past the window and shouted. Doesn't know about the specific person. So here the someone. I want you to do the rest sentences by yourself. This is your homework from summer pack of indefinite pronoun. This is also activity here of personal pronouns that we did in our previous lesson. I hope, dear student, you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.